Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to prepare paneer at home in just 2 minutes. We'll begin by boiling 1 liter of milk in a deep pan. Once it starts to boil, we'll add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, or you can also use vinegar. Since lemon juice is soft, it will help to split our milk and it will start the curdling process. Now we will stir the mixture for some time on a lower flame. As the curdling process starts, you should be able to see soft cheese form at the top of the milk. This soft cheese is nothing but our paneer, which is also known as cottage paneer. Because it's so cheap to make, this is also known as cottage paneer. Once you start to see the greenish yellow liquid, it means the decluttering process is over. And now we'll strain our mixture to separate the prepared paneer from the leftover liquid. Now we will drain the excess liquid from our paneer by pressing it with a spoon, or alternatively you can tie it in a muslin cloth and hang it somewhere to dry it naturally. Once dried, we will refrigerate our paneer to make it firm. Coming to leftover liquid, you can use it for your daily cooking like making dough or for preparing curries. And voila, our paneer is ready. I bet if you are a paneer lover, you are going to make this again and again. It's super easy to make and hardly takes 2 minutes to prepare. Now you can make your favorite paneer recipes anytime, anywhere, and you will never run out of paneer. Be it mutter paneer or sandwiches or paneer tikka masala or anything. You now have a reason to celebrate with a bon appetit. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week. So let's get connected and see you until next time.